In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0-20480. We couldn't find the specified configuration file while doing Office installation. So that's actually a quite easy fix, and if you're getting this error on my screen right now, I'll show you how to fix it right away. So the first thing you actually want to do is locate the location of your configuration and setup file on your computer. So as you can see, I have this inside my downloads folder just for the easier access. However, I'm going to show you how to do it no matter where you have it, because this really doesn't matter and you likely will have it in a different folder. So the first thing you want to do is locate this folder, and the way you have to do it is basically by going up here where you can see this kind of directory bar, and you can click on it and you'll be able to see the entirety of it. So it will look something like this, but if you have it just like I do in the downloads folder over here, you can just right click and then click copy as path. If you can't do that, and if that's simply not possible in your case, what I recommend doing and what's the easiest way is to click on this thing, so where it says setup.exe, you just right click on it and you can click copy as path. So that's the first thing you should do. And then you want to go to either command prompt or maybe PowerShell or whatever terminal you're using, and you simply want to open it and start it as admin. So over here it says command prompt. As you can see, you can type in cmd and you'll see it, and you have to run it as administrator. So click over here, and this may ask you for some admin permissions. If it does, simply just put that in. Now, once you got that over here, and once you open this as admin, what you should do is simply type in cd, so change directory, and then you want to just paste in what you copied, okay? However, once you try to paste this in, make sure you actually don't include the last part, which is setup.exe, so just delete that part over here. And of course, delete this thing as well, which are the apprentices over here. Let me just, there we go. And after you've done this, you want to simply click enter, and you should be directed into this directory. As you can see over here, it's now working. From here, the second part you should do is type in dir, so dir like this, and press enter, and you'll be able to see all the different folders or files inside this folder over here. From here, you then have to perform one simple command, which is as follows. So you have to simply type in setup.exe, so just basically the name of this executive file over here. So just type in set, and you can just type set and press a tab on your keyboard, and it will automatically autofill. Then do a space bar, and then /configure, and then again the space bar, and then you simply want to type in the other name of the other file, which is configuration. Yet again, you can just type in the first few letters and then press tab, and that's it. So after this, what you should do is simply just press enter, and as you can see, it will start opening up your file, and over here it will start installing correctly without any errors. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.